Today I'd like to share with you one of my secrets to get in the air faster with my DJI Mini 4 Pro. The trick is to leave the control sticks right on the controller. Yes, you can actually do this and still store it in the factory Fly More bag. The way I do it is I purchased this from PGY Tech. It's a cover that's made out of TPU type of plastic. I take a standard lens cleaning cloth and put it over top of the display just for added protection, as well as having a nice place to store it where it doesn't get all wrinkled up. Snap the cover over top of the controller. Take your Mini 3 or 4 or whatever you happen to have, put it in your case. I put the batteries actually up in the front here on the case, which is the standard place that they usually are. I put the remote controller in. Zip it up, and you're off to your next flight. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully this helps you out to get you in the air a little bit quicker, and we'll catch you on the next one.